In this video we are going to create an alias on Linux. First, we need to think in a word. This word is going to be the name of the alias. Next, we need to check whether the system is using this word. You can do that by executing the type command followed by the word that is going to be the name of the alias. I'm going to use search as an example. If I press enter, you see that search is not found. This means that the system is not using this word. Another way to check this is to type alias without any command, without arguments. And you'll see that search is not listed on the output, in the output. So let's create the alias. So you type alias command, this time with an argument. This argument is going to be the name of the alias, which is search in this case, equals, and double quotations. Inside quotations, you put the command you want to substitute by search. So in this case would be sudo apt search. Press enter, and now if I type search and then the name of the package, because I want to search for a package, let's say GIMP, press enter, okay, it will ask for my password, and you see that the alias is working. Now we have one problem here. If I close the terminal right now, this alias is will disappear. We can solve this by registering this alias in your bashrc file. So use your favorite text editor you want, just bashrc, and you can put your alias wherever you want in the file. I'm going to search for alias in order to put it there. Here it is, my aliases. I like to put it here, and type alias, follow the same syntax you see there, alias, search, double quotations, alright, double quotation, inside the quotation is going to be sudo apt search. Now save the changes, and if I close the terminal and reopen it, and if I type search again, and then the name of the package I want to search, it will ask for my password, and then it's going to give me the output of the apt search command. Alright, this is how you create an alias on Linux. And the benefit of this is that you don't need to memorize long commands in order to execute them. But remember, if you want to create an alias permanently, a permanent alias, you'd need to register your alias in your bashrc file. This is important because when you close the file, when you close the terminal and you don't have your alias registered in your bashrc file, this alias is it won't work anymore. So well, that's it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.